Right, the walking bass. Here are a couple easy steps to get started with it. First, let's pick a chord progression because you always base it off the chord progression that you're playing. So say that we have the chord progression G major, E minor, A minor, and then D major. Then what we will do is on beat 1 of every chord, we're going to place the root note of that chord so that when we play the chord, the left hand is also playing the root note. Pretty simple, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on beat 3 of every measure, we're going to play a chord tone of that same chord. So, for example, for the G chord, for the E minor chord, C for the A minor, and A for the D major, for example. Now we have those notes figured out, and now we're going to use a system called approach notes. What we're going to do is we're going to approach the next note that we're going to, and there's only one spot for it, beat 2 and beat 4, towards it with just a half step between it. So we're going from G to B, as we just figured out, so we're going to go through A sharp, for example, like that. Then we have to go to the E for the E minor. So we have one note to get there. So let's use a half step away from E, for example, the D sharp. Then we go to the G for the E minor in the middle of the E minor chord. So we can use the F sharp. And now we're going to go to the A minor chord. So we have to go to A. Well, then we can go through G sharp, also half step away. Etc., etc. So you get this. A little faster. See how that works?